Hi everyone, welcome to Creofun. My name is Maria and today I will be drawing a cute whale. So let's put the small piece of paper aside and fold the big one in half. Now grab a marker and right in the middle of the paper we're gonna draw a beautiful whale. Nice. Now let's draw the eye. Let's make it pretty big. Let's add a nice big smile here. That's good. Here, let's add some water, like a small fountain. That's cute. Now grab scissors and we're gonna cut the circle. Great, now grab this small piece of paper, let's put it inside and let's draw the eye. Here we go, look at that. Now grab a blue color. Before we do that, grab a pink. And let's add a cheek here. Now grab blue color and let's just color our whale. Now the next step, let's just color, like grab a light blue and we're gonna color. Now our whale can be done, or if you want you can add like a nice background, maybe some waves like this. That's cute. You can even add like a fish if you want. Let's grab, let's say yellow. Here you go, maybe one more here. That's good. That's beautiful. Now the one final step, grab a glue and we're just gonna add like a line like this. And our whale is done. I think it looks great. I hope you guys enjoyed the project. Please subscribe to our channel so we can do more artwork together. Thank you guys.